In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Lactobacillus species are commonly used in the fermentation of milk to produce curd. Thus, A matches with 2. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is commonly known as baker's yeast, is used in the fermentation of dough during bread making. Thus, B matches with 4. Aspergillus niger is one of the primary organisms which is used industrially to produce citric acid through fermentation. Thus, C matches with 3. Now, Acetobacter aceti is widely used in the production of vinegar. Thus, D matches with 5. Hence, the correct answer is option B.